YouTube, what it do? I'm Legendarius, and this is a YouTube exclusive. All right, guys, so I finally got my Babyliss Gold FX1 trimmer in. I cannot wait to put this thing to use. So let's unbox it and check it out. All right, y'all know what's up. The wait is over. The wait is over. All right, let's get this thing open, man. We got that Babyliss Gold FX trimmer, the Gold FX1 trimmer in stock, man. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. All right, of course, we have our tool. So let's get that out. And of course, it's going to be hard to get out of that box. Amazing packaging, though. I love that they package these things so well. All right, there we go. So we got our tool. And this thing feels pretty light. It's kind of like the clipper. The clipper was pretty light. There's no battery in there, so we'll see. There's actually, oh, dang, I ripped my package, man. Dang. Not that I'm keeping the package anyway. Let's get that out. All right, we got our charging base. Go charging base there. And again, you can use that standard charger or that new USB charger. Let's put that over there. Let's see what else we got. The battery. All right, battery full charged. The 4-stage indicator light on that battery. And let's see what else we might. Oh, knock all my tools over, man. All right, there we go. I gotta learn an easier way to open these boxes. All right, so in this box, what we got here, looks like we're gonna have our charger cord, the USB. You can plug that into the USB or plug that into your USB-C. Yep, USB-C. Plug that into a base. See if we got one. Look what that came with. Came with that charger brick or base or whatever. People call it different things. This I love. I always love a good blade guard because some of my clippers go in my drawer. Some of them are on my station. But what I never want to do is damage that blade when my clipper's not in use, and sometimes you could jam it somewhere and chip one of those teeth off. So if you're not using those blade guards that come with your clipper, start using it. Additional cam follower. Mad love. Of course, the zero gap tool with the screwdriver. Damn, that thing is in there. There it is. I'm using too much force on it. So we got that. Of course, we have some oil, blade brush, and another infamous Babyliss screwdriver. I love that all the tools come with these screwdrivers. I got a ton of them in my drawer. But you can never have too many screwdrivers when you're a barber, right? All right, so there we have it. Let's get this thing. Oh, we don't even have to have it charged, actually, because it's already fully charged up, baby. So let's put this thing to work and see what it's gonna do. All right, guys, so I was able to put this thing to use today. Right out of the box, I used it, and it was zero gap. It was a little too zero gap for me, so I did make a few adjustments. So this clipper does come with the gold ultra thin DLC titanium standard tooth blade, and this thing is thin. This thing does come with the new N1 brushless motor with dual ball bearings for more efficiency for your cuts. It has 7,200 RPM, 1,400 SPM, which is strokes per minute. So this thing is chopping pretty fast. It's also pretty quiet. As you see, I just turned it on. It's not super loud. It's running pretty smooth. The interchangeable lithium battery pack is a beast. I love it because I can swap out the battery from my clipper to my trimmer to my shaver. I absolutely love that new feature. It does have that, just like the clipper, you see it has that battery release for the lithium battery, and it pops out just like so. Again, it's interchangeable with the clipper, the shaver, and all the other FX1 tools. So that's amazing if you're thinking about switching over to that FX1 system. The battery has up to 3 hours of runtime on the trimmer. I believe on the clipper it's 2.5. So the trimmer is obviously using just a little bit less power, so you get 3 hours of runtime on that thing. It does have that 4-stage indicator light because, again, these are the same batteries that come with the clipper and the trimmer. Of course, it has that classic curled handlebar, just like all the other FX tools. This one also has that removable pocket door. This one does have that ergonomic finger rest on it, just like the clipper. You can see there, slide your finger in there. It fits amazingly right in your hand. It fits right there with your thumb. So that's a great improvement to this trimmer. Just like the design on the clipper, the trimmer does have that tapered end cap. And of course, we have that hidden hanging hook if you like to hang your clippers. So overall, I gotta say, I absolutely love this trimmer. It is for sure going to be on my station as my new hitter.